standing by a bed.
How old are you?
Well, I'll act like the wind so you'll feel like you're outside.
Mike, do you want to tell Jerry and them that we're doing the cake? Put them
Here they go.
Ooh, look at all that.
She's like us.
Penelope, look at Grandpa. Oh, you're watching Daddy right now.
All right, little girl.
Which one you want to go for? Whoa.
You gotta blow harder than that.
Try those ones. Blow.
Yay!
Yay! Blow again.
Can you blow? Good, get real close, go. Over here.
No, we didn't.
How about here? Ready?
We didn't even sing, little girl.
You want to sing? You want to sing when we relight them?
No, you can. You still
Okay.
got some left.
All right, you ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Penelope. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Can you blow?
Blow.
Blow that one.
Blow hard. Go here. Come here. Blow this one.
Try. Keep going. Blow. Blow one more time.
Yay!
Yay!
Oh, keep it going.
No!
Blow it. Come here.
Try again.
Make an extra wish.
There you
There
go.
you go.
Yay!
All right.